They say the best investment you can make is in yourself, and I couldn't agree more. Hi, my name is Caroline, and like many people, I wanted to have more freedom in my life, to work on my own terms, to never have to justify why I need to be somewhere else, and most importantly, to spend more time with my family. But there was one problem. I knew absolutely nothing about trading. At first, I thought trading was way too risky. I had no experience, and let's be honest, there are so many people out there claiming they can teach you how to trade, but how many of them actually know what they are doing? And that's where Institute of Trading changed everything for me. They don't just teach trading, they live it. From day one, I felt supported. They explain everything in a way that's easy to understand, no matter your level. I quickly realized that I had nothing to worry about. Sabas, the lead trainer, has been a consistent, profitable trader for 14 years. And trust me, you can see and feel his experience in everything he teaches. The best part? You can fact check everything he shares. It's real, it's proven, and it works. But here is what truly sets Institute of Trading apart. They don't just train you on technical strategies, they shape your trading mindset. And if you ask me, that's the real secret to success. You can know all the strategies in the world, but if your mindset isn't right, your results will always reflect that. This is where Janina, the coach, comes in. She helps us focus on the mental side of trading, because trading isn't just about charts or indicators or strategies. It's about you, your energy, your discipline, your ability to stay consistent. And it doesn't stop there. They've created something called the WeBuilders Club, where we have a bi-weekly online sessions to stay accountable for our trading goals. Whatever questions you have, they're there to support you, so you can become a consistently profitable trader. Success isn't just about making money, it's about becoming the kind of person who can consistently create wealth. At Institute of Trading, you don't just learn how to trade, you learn how to think like a trader. You learn more about yourself and you gain skills to create real financial freedom. Whether you are a complete beginner or experienced trader looking to level up, this is the place to be. Do you want to build on your own success? Go to Institute of Trading.